Today I am going in detail explanation of the remaining topics of arithmetic progression for the student of standard 10th. In the last video of class 10 I have discussed about the basic introduction of an AP. What is an AP? How are I be able to identify the given sequence of series and AP, or some more basic introductions. Here I have written the name of the next topic. It is the general term or nth term of an AP. General term or nth term of an AP. We have studied about what is an AP, when a particular sequence or series is considered to be an AP. Now, how can we find out the general term or nth term of an AP? If I am saying or repeating the name of general term or nth term, two possibilities are there. Number one, either the nth term starts from the beginning or the nth term starts from the end. So I am going to give you the detailed explanation from both sides, from the end or as well as from the beginning. Let us start the nth term of an AP from the beginning. Consider, let first term of an AP, first of an AP is equals to A, and common difference is T. Then required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D dot dot dot. If we talk in detail about its first term, it is denoted by T1, it is equals to A. Second term, it is denoted by T2, it is equals to A plus D. Third term, it is denoted by T3, it is equals to A plus 2D. Fourth term, it is denoted by T4, it is equals to A plus 3D. Here we look at the series that we are obtaining here. A1, it can be written as A plus 0D. Here 1 is there, 0 is there, 2 is there, 1 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there. Matlab we are obtaining a particular series here. If we write here Tn, it means nth term. nth term Tn is equals to A plus 4 है तो 3, 3 है तो 2, मतलब एक कम, n है, it means n minus 1 into D. ठीक है. So this is the expression of nth term from the beginning. You have to remember nth term from the beginning is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the expression for obtaining the nth term from the beginning, where Tn is the nth term or general term, A is the first term, n is the number of term, and D is the common difference. N is the number of term and D is the common difference. So we have to remember this particular expression as Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us consider one example. Find 10th term of the given AP. Find the 10th term of the given AP. AP is given 2, 7, 12 dot dot dot. The given AP is 2, 7, 12 dot dot dot. We have to find the 10th term. For its solution, let first term is 2, common difference is 7 minus 2, it is 5, okay, and the value of n is equals to 10. So 10th term, it means T10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Now we have to put the values. A 2 plus 9 into 5, it is 2 plus 45, 2 plus 45, it is 47. So 47 is the 10th term of this particular AP. Similarly, we can find out the 100th term, 16th term, second term, any term. Now this particular expression is to find out the general term of an AP from the beginning. Now I am discussing about the finding of nth term of an AP from the end. Nth term of an AP from the end. Nth term of an AP from the end. Let us consider the AP as A plus D, A plus 2D dot dot dot, and the last term is L. Second last term is L minus D, third is L minus 2D, L minus 3D. Similarly, in this way we have to proceed. Now last term is equals to L, second last term it is equal to L minus D, third last term L minus 2D. Similarly, nth term from the end, nth term from the end is equals to L minus n minus 1 into D. Nth term from the end is equals to L minus n minus 1 into D. So the overall conclusion up to this is, if we have to find out the nth term from the beginning, that is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, nth term from the beginning, nth term from the beginning. Now nth term from the end, Tn is equals to L minus n minus 1 into D. It is nth term from the end. Here L is the last term, D is the common difference, n is the number of terms, and Tn is the nth term. Here Tn is the nth term, A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and T is the common difference. So this is the detailed explanation of the general term or nth term from both sides of an AP. Now I am explaining it with the help of some examples here. Let us consider one question that determine the AP. The question is, determine the AP whose third term is 5, whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Seventh term is 9. We have to determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. For its solution, let in the required AP, first term is equals to A and common difference is equals to D. Let first term is equals to A and common difference is equals to D. According to given question, it is given third term is equals to 5. Third term can be written as T3 is equals to 5. It can be elaborated as A plus 2D is equals to 5. This is equation number first. Similarly, seventh term, it means T7 is equals to 9. This can be written as A plus 6D is equals to 9. Okay? Let this is equation number 2. Now A plus 2D equal to 5. From the equation 1 and 2 we can find out the value of A and D, and A plus 6D equal to 9. Here minus minus, this is cancelled. This is minus 4D equal to minus 4. Then D is equals to 1. We are able to obtain the value of D, and by putting the value of D in 1 and 2 we are able to get the value of A. Now from 1, A plus 2 equals to 5. It means A equal to 3. A का वैल्यू 3 आया, D का वैल्यू 5 आया. Now required AP we can find out required AP. First term is 3, second term 3 plus 2, it is 3 plus 2 into 2. Similarly 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot dot. ठीक है. So this is the basic procedure that we have to follow while solving the problems, and the basic concept of this topic is either we have to find the general term from the beginning or general term from the end. We have to use the particular formula that I have discussed earlier. One more example I am going to discuss here. The particular example is we have to solve so many problems to clear the concept. The 17th term, I am writing here, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term, by 7. Find common difference. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find common difference. This is the question. Solution. For solution, let first term is equals to A and common difference is equals to D. Now 17th term can be written as T17 and it is equals to A plus 16D, first equation, and 10th term is equals to A plus 9D we can write. According to question, it is given 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. It means 17th term is more than 10th term by 7. So T17 minus T10 equals to 7. Now we have to put the values here. T17 means A plus 16D minus A plus 9D is equals to 7. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equals to 7. A cancel होगा. 16D minus 7D, it is 7D is equals to 7. This implies D is equals to 1. We have to find out the common difference, and the required common difference is equals to 1. So this is the basic concept for solving the problem. In the same problem, if it is asked to find out the required AP, then we have to find out the value of A, and by finding the value of A we can find out the required AP by following the series A plus T, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So this is the basic concept regarding the general term, and either from both sides, from the beginning or from the end. Now I guess you must have gone through exercise 5.1 of your NCERT, and the same exercise from the R.S. Agrawal. Based on the today's tout topic, you have to solve exercise 5.2 from NCERT. From NCERT book, you have to go through exercise 5.2 to tackle the problem of the particular topic. This particular topic, on the basis of this particular topic, you can solve the problems of exercise 5.2, and also you have to practice from R.S. Agrawal book also. In the next video, the further topics like summation and some word problems I am going to discuss. Till then, solve maximum problems and ask the doubts on a school WhatsApp number. That's all.